Hi guys, welcome back. In the last video we have synchronized ISO files to the directory of /var. So let's check out again. Change directory /var ftp pub and packages. Okay, all the files have been synchronized. Let's create repo. Create repo /var /ftp /pub /package. Hit enter. Okay, it will take some time for creating this database. By the time, let's go to the client. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me go to the web and reload it. Okay, yeah, here you can see now all the packages has been copied and synchronized. Now what we have to do is we have to copy this path. This is the base URL, and then go to the client, change directory /etc pm.repo, hit enter. Let's check it out. Okay, we local.repo and then insert test name equal to test1. Whatever you can give it. Base URL which we have copied there. Okay, and then another one is gpg check equal to 0, and then enabled equal to 1. Here, if you are wondering about gpg check, it is used to check the signatures of the packages. And then if you want to know about this enabled one, here we use because of if there is multiple repositories, we use it. Okay, to enable it, let's see. Yeah, that is done. And then now what we have to do is we have to create a repo. So let me create it in a client itself first. I have already created a local.repo. So yum clean all. Okay, clean all. Okay, yum repo list. Yeah, it has synchronized. Okay, you can see 5152 packages where in the server database it was getting configured. See, okay, 5152 packages. This is how we configure M server. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please drop any error or any query in the comment section. I will revert as soon as possible. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.